Hey guys, how's it going? Arseners here. So by the thumbnail, you know this is a full Capra build. I don't have me putting on my new body panels or the brass on the third members or the portals, but I think you'll still enjoy this video. Kind of like a time lapse of me putting it together, and also we have some running footage too. Really fun build, challenging but fun, and also it's a blast to drive. And the dig function, everything works great. Again, this is the Spectrum 2-in-1 ESC with a 14 tooth pinion. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun, put a lot of work into it. And as always, thanks to Andrew BC. Today, got something special. I'm gonna do a full Axial Capra build from the kit, obviously. So I did start this the other day, and then I was like, you know what? I should record this and make a video. Why not? So just to go over some of the parts that we'll be installing, I went ahead, got some Trio brass upgrades right away for the front axle. I got the dig servo. I got a little bit of overdrive from Trio for the front portals. Reef's 1100 smart servo with an aluminum servo horn. GT5 receiver right here. Firma 2-in-1 brushless ESC, censored 2300 kV. I'm excited to try this thing out. And then 13 or 14 tooth pinion, we'll look at that, see what we want. And then, of course, the Trio 1.9 bead locks. I already did 3 of these wheels off camera. I have the Proline dual stage foams on the inside and the Proline Hyrax tires with the Predator compound. We'll go ahead and get started. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This might be a longer video, but it'll be worth it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, quick tip for grease. I use this marine corrosion control. It has special properties where it'll help prevent, corrosion to your gears, and it's just good stuff. So I just picked it up from AutoZone and stuffed it in this syringe, and now I have a nice easy way to grease these up. Alright guys, I went ahead and just put the frame together off camera and got my dig put together and so on and so forth. I just did it off camera just because it was getting kind of long. It was pretty much boring too, just getting on the bolts put into the roll cage. But anyway, we'll continue with the build.